Hi, I'm Rebekah Borucki, founder of BEXLIFE.com and author of You Have 4 Minutes to Change Your Life. Have you always wanted to try meditation, but you didn't know where to start? Are you ready to get all those benefits you've been hearing about, but you're convinced that you don't have time, your head is way too busy, or you're just not spiritual enough? Well, I have some good news for you. It doesn't matter how full your schedule is, how many monkeys you have jumping around in that head of yours, or how enlightened you may or may not be. Meditation is for you, and all you have to do to get good at it is spend the next few minutes with me. Now let's set you up with the basics of a perfect meditation practice. You can practice meditation at any time in any place. For maximum calming effect, find a spot that's relatively quiet, warm, and where you can sit comfortably for just a short amount of time. Closing your eyes during meditation helps to remove outside visual distractions, so I recommend it. Or if you'd rather keep your eyes open, find an object to gaze softly upon, like a cherished object or a candle flame. Sit with your legs crossed or in a chair with both feet flat and touching the floor. Rest your hands downturned on your knees or thighs or upturned to receive the energy around you. The most important thing is that you're comfortable, so pick whatever position works for you. The easiest way to focus your attention and to remove distraction during meditation is to focus on your breath. But don't try to change a thing. Your natural inhales and exhales as they are in the moment are perfect. You'll find that as you observe your breath, it will change on its own. Now, isn't that awesome? Continue to observe your easy inhales and exhales, knowing that with every inhale, your energy and vitality is increased, and with every exhale, your body becomes more relaxed and tension-free. When you believe it, you will see it. And finally, you might want to try repeating an affirmation 3 to 5 times to really seal in the healing effects of your practice. I recommend something like, I am safe, I am calm, I choose to be here, or everything is just as it should be, or I have the power to choose my own happiness. Now that doesn't sound so hard, does it? Meditation can certainly be a tool to get more enlightened, but that's a pretty big goal to think about when you're super stressed and just trying to get through the next moment. I use meditation as a way to navigate everyday stress and to help me show up better in my life. Taking small breaks throughout my day, in between activities like driving the kids to practice and going to the grocery store, allows me to connect with myself and recharge before the next thing that requires my energy. Think about it. You remember to recharge your phone, but how often do you take just a little bit of time to recharge your own batteries? That's what meditation is. A way to check in and connect, to acknowledge your own needs, and to help you to become a better person for yourself and for the ones you love. I have 2 incredible bonuses waiting for you when you pick up my new book on meditation. You Have 4 Minutes to Change Your Life. You'll find a link for all the info in the video description. Happy meditating and stay blissed.